you like. Autism isolation home, £1,000 please. 3 minutes start from now. Okay. Autism isolation no more, preventing isolation for families affected by autistic spectrum disorder. Today we are asking for funding of £1,000 to continue to provide this much needed service. This will provide another year including venue, website, covering all costs, allowing us to become self-sustaining in the future. Currently we hire Nobody's Play and Party venue exclusively for our families so they can come and relax and enjoy the venue, and knowing that their children are totally safe and secure, allowing their children to be themselves. Autism isolation no more is for the whole family unit and not just for the child with autism. Our families often have to separate, in which one family will stay at home with the autistic child, so that other siblings do not go without. The families often become prisoners in their own homes, withdraw from society, and become very depressed. We have all read the horrific headlines where uneducated yobs harassed the mother and her child for years, which tragically ended in the mother taking her child's life as well as her own. Due pure desperation and a misguided act of love, not wanting to leave her child alone, unprotected in this world. I can't help but wonder that if this mother had someone to turn to discuss their feelings, their lives and the lives of their children would have been spared. Autism isolation no more has grown and developed over the past year. We currently support 26 adults and 39 children. We provide information on local relevant events like Autism Australia Students and Gateway events. We also have guest speakers to help us keep up to date on important issues. We celebrate any positive achievements made by the members, I'm shaking so much, by awarding them the Autism Gold Award, which also helps to raise morale. We have also introduced a chill area for when it gets too much for the children with sensory issues. At Autism Isolation No More, we are there, if only for a phone call, text or email, because sometimes just knowing that someone cares is just that little help to get you through the day. I would like to read a brief statement from one of my mothers. Being the mother of an autistic child can be like going to a new planet and learning a new way of living and communicating. At first it can be very isolating and scary, as others don't have a clue what you're saying or doing, but eventually, when you learn how to cope, it can be very rewarding. No one else in the world can understand what you go through with your child. It's not just the sleepless nights, the challenged behaviour, the hostile public experiences. It's the constant paperwork that makes you relive every hospital appointment. Incredibly, only the people in the same situation can understand what it's like. Autism, big brain. Has anyone got any questions? Rachel, you okay to ask questions? You don't have to. Sure? Deep breath, brave girl. Sorry, I'm shaking so much. Any questions?
Okay, Rachel, thank you very much. It's lovely to hear your reports. Can I ask how many there are of you, the team number supporting these 39 children and 26 adults? Just you?
Yeah. We don't have a little group. I'm the main leader of the group.
So are you doing it full time or part time or?
Well, we do it once a month, and then we also do coffee mornings as well. I'm a mother of an autistic child. I have 2 children on the autistic spectrum, and I also have a brother as well and a nephew. It's totally changed my life.